Alright, so I just finished a new project. I think it's not that interesting, but I just wanted to dabble in some speech recognition software as well as some Selenium. Um, it's basically just a voice assistant that just browses the web and it does nothing else. So again, it's not that interesting. It's not that complicated. I just wanted to finish a project with Selenium. So I'll go ahead and run it just right now. Yeah. So just before run it, I just want to say that it's the voice assistant's name is Alaska, which is obviously a ripoff of some very popular voice assistant already. And the way it works is I just hit run, and then it tries to get the audio from my microphone, and if it detects the wake word, which is Alaska, it starts a sequence that you can command it to do whatever you please. So let's just run it. Alaska,
What can I do for you?
search the web. You can see here it opens a Google tab.
What would you like to search the web for?
Cat videos.
Okay, searching the web for cat videos.
So it works pretty cool. And then
What can I do for you?
I'll just pause it for now. There's also another pretty cool feature that I added to it is another pretty cool feature that I added to it is it can like search within websites. Right now it's only able to search on Amazon because I was kind of too lazy to add anything else. But some developers could certainly add other capabilities such as like YouTube or like Reddit or like whatever they please. So I'll just go ahead and run it again. Alaska,
What can I do for you?
scan a website. It's
Alright, what website would you like to search?
Amazon. It goes to Amazon. Just search a random keyword.
What would you like to search for?
Electronics. And it searches for that.
What can I do for you?
So yeah, that's basically the entire gist of it. And then to get like really into the code, I use libraries called speech recognition, which is software by Google, and GTTS again, Google text to speech, another software by Google. I use Selenium for getting the websites, and I use PyInput, and from that module I use keyboard and controller. So I just set keyboard equal to controller, and then I basically define how the assistant, like what it on basically when it fires up what it says. So it just says so basically I define the assistant and say like when it speaks what does it do. So I just say print Alaska and then it says output and then the output is Google text to speech. It takes text and then puts that into speech. So it basically just says the text. And then for get audio, I basically use a microphone on my computer to say or to put whatever I say into text, and then that text is then interfaced with the assistant speaks command to like provide the commodities that the bot currently has. And then I just define some other nuisances such as like entering on the keyboard. You just press the enter key and then release it, and then I just define new tab, which is Control T. And then for the search command, you have to define the path so that the Selenium WebDriver can then open a website, in this case google.com. And then it uses the assistant speaks, and then it gets the audio, and then it searches for that, and you get the gist. And then search the website, or search a website. Again, it uses the same principles of path and WebDriver. And then it gets Amazon.com. Again, developers could add like other websites that you could search for them. Um, yeah, and it just speaks what would you like to search for, and it gets the audio. And then this is the driver code, and then so basically, if name equals main, that means if it's running the current voice recognition is not imported into another thing, you just run this code infinitely. And then here is the actual code that it runs on. I just put it in an infinite loop and say with the microphone on, it just current runs that over and over. And then for the wake word, in order to activate the voice assistant, there's a time limit of whatever number this is. I just put a really big time limit because I didn't want it to run out. So yeah, that's the basic gist of the code. And then test.py, you might be wondering, is just like testing random functions and making sure they work without the voice assistant. So yeah, that's basically it. This is probably the last coding video I'm gonna do in a while because I want to learn some physics stuff for high school and get started on that. So I might do a couple videos on that. But yeah, thanks for watching.